All right, let's see how to draw a spider web today. Start with making a boundary box on your paper. And then we're going to make a diagonal line, a slanted line from the bottom corner to the top corner, from the top corner to the bottom corner. So now you have a great big X and your lines are converging in the center or crossing over. Then we want to go from the top to the bottom and from the side to the other side. So we're always going from one side to the opposite side. And the lines are converging, crossing over, intersecting, all the same word to mean they meet in the middle, okay? The next thing we're going to do is just use a small curved line. We're using only lines to draw this. And we're joining each of the arms with a small curved line. It's like a smile upside down. Just like that. And it begins to look like a spider web. And we'll do another one. We want to pretty much fill up the page with our spider spaces. These are spider spaces. Let's have some more in these corners. If you have a square piece of paper, a square is a great shape for making a spider web. So is a triangle. So is everything. Well, there's your web. It looks great. And that only took a minute. Now, if you want to make it really interesting, you can go back and you can fill up all these spaces in different ways or in the same way, if that is what appeals to you. One thing you can do is use a colored pencil. I keep my colored pencils in these because they stack together neatly and I can see what I have. You can use shading or value to create kind of a 3D look. Okay, so what I like to do is first get all my light color in there and then start going back over it to make a medium value and then the darkest value that I can with my pencil. Okay, remember value is another one of our art elements and it means lightness and darkness. So you can see how it goes from dark to light. Value. And if we did that in all of these, we would have sort of an optical illusion happening. If you have markers, you want to use markers to make patterns. You can use your lines again. Make a pattern of lines. You could color in every other one if you wanted to. You could use a marker to make shapes. I'll fill one of these pieces with circles because I think that looks good. And again, you can do as much or as little as you want within these. Color them different colors, color in between them with another color, and you'll get such a variety of pattern. You can use every pattern you can imagine if you work this way. Every color that you have at your disposal. Let's not forget to add something in crayon, right? We need to use our crayons too. Let's see. Maybe I'll just make a solid color, red in the center. We don't have any solid colors. Right. So we fill up every space that we have, or we can choose to also leave a few blank. I have a dotter. I love these. If you have something that you can print with, you can just push it down, pick it up, push it down, pick it up, keep it inside of a spot, and it makes a nice regular circle pattern. And then of course you can go back in with other colors, color the background. Add another color accent in the middle if you wanted to. Just have fun, use your imagination, and that's how to draw a spider web.